Hello CARRIDA community, it's good to see you again. Installing a CARRIDA camera is fairly simple and straightforward, but I'd like to share a few practical tips with you to get the very best results out of the cameras. First, always pay attention to the reading distance. The Plate Eye Basic works best at reading ranges of 1 to 5.5 meters. The Plate Eye Dome has a motorized zoom available inside the camera, and it supports reading ranges of up to 16 meters. The CARRIDA Dragon Plus can be used for short range and long range applications, but keep in mind there's 3 different variations of this camera. You can procure a short range, a mid range or a long range version of this camera. So make sure to select the right camera for your application. Second, please position the camera well. Keep the camera horizontal. A small deviation is possible, but please keep it limited. Also, when you install the camera, make sure that the viewing angle is not too steep. And this applies both to the vertical angle and the horizontal angle. So all CARRIDA models offer a variety of mechanical mounting options. The Plate Eye Basic and the Plate Eye Dome can use universal mounting brackets that are widely available in the market. And with the Dragon Plus we provide you with a mounting kit. It's up to you to decide where to install the cameras. You can decide to mount the camera in or on the barrier column, or maybe you want to install it on the ceiling or maybe inside a pillar. All these things are possible. You can use the web interface to fine-tune the settings of the camera, like the exposure, or maybe the reading area, or maybe defining the inputs and outputs of the camera. Remember, all CARRIDA cameras are fully embedded, which means you do not need anything else for your parking application or your access control application, besides the camera and your management system. You can even equip the camera with 2 whitelists and make it run standalone, without any additional system. Through the web interface, you can also deploy software updates. Please check the CARRIDA website and show the wink. So please keep these tips in mind when you're installing the cameras. It makes the installation simple and straightforward, and it makes sure that the end users can enjoy the benefits of the ANPR cameras for years to come. Thank you for listening. See you next time.